Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study a whole syllabus one night before an exam. First, immediately scan your syllabus to pinpoint the most crucial topics. Next, gather all your notes, textbooks, and any summaries you have. Then, create a focused study plan, allocating specific time blocks for each major subject area. Remember, every minute counts, so stay organized and avoid distractions to maximize your learning. Now, let's prioritize. Focus intensely on the main ideas and concepts that carry the most weight. Don't get bogged down in minor details. Actively test yourself by explaining concepts aloud or writing down what you remember without looking at your notes. This active recall method is far more effective than passive reading. Also, quickly review a few past exam questions to grasp the format. To boost your memory, try using simple mnemonic devices or drawing quick mind maps to link related information. It helps consolidate knowledge rapidly. Remember to take very short, 5 to 10 minute breaks every hour or so to refresh your mind and prevent fatigue. During these breaks, stand up, stretch, and drink some water. Staying hydrated and having light snacks will maintain your energy levels. Before you finally call it a night, do a very quick 20-minute review of the most difficult topics. Then, it's crucial to get some sleep. Aim for at least 4 to 5 hours. Even a little rest helps your brain process information. Lay out all your exam day essentials, like your pens, calculator, and identification, so you're not scrambling in the morning. Good luck with your exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.